These next two sections, we're going to be talking about how to read tables. So, example 1 says, a survey of Wake Tech Transfer Program students conducted via email had the following results. And so we're looking at if they've chosen a major or not, or has visited the ILC. And I don't know what ILC stands for. Maybe some kind of advising area. I don't know. So we're looking at if they've chosen or not chosen or visited this ILC for first-year students and returning students. It asks how many students are in their first year at Wake Tech and have never been to the ILC. So we look at the first-year students and the ones have not used the ILC. So 1,060 students. How many students have not decided on a major yet, despite being in their second year or later at Wake Tech? So we're looking at those that have not decided on a major, despite being in their second year or later. So that's not first-year students. So that would be 120 students. Continuing on with this example, what is the total number of students surveyed who have visited the ILC? So here's the column of those who have visited the ILC. So that's 129 students plus 325 students, 454 students from this survey have visited the ILC. Can you add up all four numbers in the first year students row to determine how many first year students were surveyed in total? Yeah, I mean, you can find out how many responded anyway. So if we added up all these numbers here, then that would tell us, it would tell us how many responded, at least. How many first year students responded. And then if you're chatting with a classmate and learn that they have chosen a major, what is the probability that they are a first-year student? So if we're looking at those who have chosen a major, so our probability would be that they are a first-year student with a major out of the total of those with the major. So you're chatting with a classmate and learn that they have chosen a major. What is the probability that they are a first-year student? So a first-year student that has chosen their major, there were 266. And we already know that they have chosen a major, so that would be all of 266 plus 612. Or 266 out of 878. Reducing that fraction, our probability would be 133 of 439. Or changing that to a decimal, it would be 0.303. Then you have a couple of problems to practice similar to this.